Across to Mangalam. Mangalam, tell us, Shalimar Paints, Porinju, I think, got into that one.
Yes, he did, and I wonder why though, because yesterday the stock was buzzing around and we found out later in the evening that Porinju's fund Equity Intelligence has bought 1 lakh shares in Shalimar Paints, which is roughly about 0.5% of the company's equity. But if you take a look at the company, it's promoted by the Jindal Group, and earlier we had comments coming in from Part Jindal about his bullishness on the paint space and what they want to do going forward. So perhaps the street is sussing something in terms of the corporate action going there. But if you take a look at the financials, they've been fairly unimpressive. The table should come up for you. In the first 9 months itself, the company's shown a revenue contraction as against its peers. All of them have shown a revenue growth. Even if you take a look at the margins, 7% margins as against at least double digits in all the other companies. Asian Paints and Berger have 16 to 18% margins. And then again, if you take a look at the positive triggers for the company going forward, they have 2 plants, Howrah and Nashik, where they make resins or some other painting products, which is likely to open in the first half of next year. And the company is raising some funds from the promoters too, so that could be a positive trigger. But that said, what is in the value? 2.7 rupees EPS is what they've done in the first 9 months. Even if they do 6 rupees in the next year, which is more than double, the stock will still trade at 37 times 1 year forward, which is still more than what the other peers trade at with much better valuation. So we really need to know if it's a turnaround story, what kind of turnaround can happen, or is there any corporate action which is going to take place.